This is the updates. Look, it looks like the construction truck, but it's cherry picker. And this is the scissor truck. It's a scissor lift. Look. When I tap this, it goes up. Ouch! Oh, okay. Let's go. I think this is it. What a perfect view. And why it's wiggling. Ah! Ouch. And this is the sewer truck. Oh, and look. But guys, it's disgusting. Sorry, guys. And I found the new props. This is the new props. Yo. And look, wait. Let me tap this. Oh, okay. What the frick? Let me. Yo. It's there. Oh, I forgot this. Oh, okay. Ah. Let's try that cherry picker truck. It's. Let me. Yo. Yo, it's perfect. It's so perfect. Blah, blah, blah. Yo. Yo, guys. No. Ah! Ouch. Let me tell. Hey, stop. This is the cherry picker truck. Ah. Okay. I think that's all. But this is. Oh, it is it. How about this one? How about this one? Let me pick this up. Ew! Let me go to the. Where's the sewers? Is this the sewer? Let's test it. Let's test it out. Do nothing. Ouch. Okay, guys. I think that's all for now. Today's update. Okay, guys. Bye.